If you've heard people talking about the Aldana versus GameStop class action settlement and you're wondering whether you qualify for a payout, here's the quick breakdown in simple terms. If you purchased a video game through GameStop's website during the qualifying purchase window and signed in using Facebook with your real name visible on a public profile, you might be eligible. The issue at the center of the lawsuit is a claim that GameStop shared details about customers' gaming activity with Facebook without permission, which is argued to violate the Video Privacy Protection Act. This case was brought forward in a New York court, and the settlement fund sits at $4.5 million, though it still requires final approval. If you're part of the affected group, you could receive a small payout, either a $5 cash payment or a $10 GameStop voucher. It's definitely not a huge reward, and lots of people online have pointed out how tiny the compensation is, joking that the lawyers are probably getting the biggest slice. There have also been complaints about the claim website being glitchy, slow responses from support, and the whole filing process feeling a bit messy. Even so, plenty of people are still planning to claim the voucher, saying that free store credit is still free store credit. So yes, the settlement is real, the payout is modest, but if you meet the criteria and don't mind submitting a claim, picking up that small reward might be worth a few minutes of your time.